Hosting is about providing a server that keeps the resources of your online store. It's a kind of a backend storing the database of your website. All websites run 24/7. If you use your home or business computer to maintain the site and if you turn it off at night, no one will be able to visit the website during this time. In order to avoid such situations, it's possible to use computers that act as a server 24 hours a day and store the page. As we've mentioned at the very beginning, hosting makes it possible for an online store to operate 24/7, which is beneficial both for the seller and the buyer. People wishing to purchase your goods won't need to wait till the shop opens. They will be able to buy also at night. But what if the actual working time of your store is less than 24 hours? It's possible to start processing the orders on the following day, which will accelerate the process and positively affect users' experience. Let's imagine a customer who urgently needs a given product and cares about time. This product can be bought anywhere else apart from your shop. Your store has hosting, so visitors can browse through your offer and buy also at night. As a seller, you start your working day by seeing a system entry informing you about the new order. You process it early in the morning, which means that the customer can receive the item quicker. If you maintain the website on your own, nobody would be able to access it once you finish the work. The buyer would need to wait for you to reopen the shop in order to buy. Taking various kinds of delays into account, you would see the information in the system after a while, which means that you wouldn't be able to process the order as quickly as possible and the customer would have to wait longer. Technical issues are another reason providing that hosting is a good idea. The network you have in your company is usually not enough to maintain a server with an online store. Just think how many times you lost the internet connection or got impatient because websites were loading for so long. Such situation is unacceptable if you want the website to operate properly. Your internet problems would affect functionalities of your website and the store wouldn't work if you didn't have internet access. Hosting companies are prepared for such circumstances, and if any problem occur, they are able to solve them in the blink of an eye. The internet abounds in offers of companies that provide hosting. Make sure that the selected options meets your expectations. When making the choice, focus on server parameters and other pieces of information given to you by the hosting provider. Technical condition, operation of disks and components for proper server operation. Transfer, amount of data downloaded by website users. Memory limit, the amount of data you can upload to the disks. Link speed, speed at which the website can be displayed. Uptime, guaranteed server's availability, time of failure-free server operation. Safety, personal data protection, protection against hacking. Technology, server capabilities supported by the hosting. Backup, backup data copy. Technical support, contact with the hosting company in case of technical problems. As you might notice, hosting is a must-have if you want to ensure efficient operation of your online store. Thanks to it, customers can finalize transaction anytime they wish and you get an opportunity to improve your sales. Don't let your market rivals gain a competitive edge over your business and take your time to ensure a highly commendable condition of your website.